All right, guys. Ready to get into it?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. All right. Beautiful. Let me get the chat open. Let me get the participants in here. We're live on YouTube. Type a 3 if you can hear me and see me on YouTube or see my screen. All right. So, Google gapped up. I don't know if you guys saw that. Big old gap up on Google. Tesla, another high. Meta pushing. Tech is pushing right now. So, here's the situation. We've got. Oh, I'm in my orb, by the way. But here, let me get out of this account. Let me get into the correct account. Okay. We've got M and Q above the pink. Okay. We've got MES below the pink, and we've got MYM below the pink. No surprise with the Google push and the and the Tesla push. I'm still feeling short today, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. Right now, there's no setup to go short on MYM, MES, nothing yet. MNQ, if we can get a reset here, I might be able to take it long, but I'm going to wait and see. I still feel like this market wants to call me crazy, but I think we want to go to at least 603, if not 600 on SPY soon. But we'll just have to see. For the time being, just going to hang tight, and we'll see what happens. I'll get MNQ right here. We'll get our three musketeers pulled up here. MNQ, MES, MYM. All right, there they are. So like I said, I'm leaning more bearish today just because we have two of the three under the pink. What do you guys think? How you guys doing today? You a little tired? No one's really talking this morning. Dustin's got his camera on though, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. You in a hotel, Dustin? Where you at?
I'm in a hotel in LA.
In LA?
Yeah.
Is that where you're from?
No, I'm a airline pilot, so just on the way over.
Oh, nice.
Flying out tonight.
Right on. Where are you flying to?
Orlando.
Oh, that's so funny, dude, because I'm driving to Orlando tomorrow from Nashville. How random. That's funny. Cool, man. You usually get like, how does that work as a pilot? Like sometimes, some days you have 2 flights, some days you have 0, some days you have 3. Like, how does that work?
Yeah, it's just, I mean, you bid for the schedule that you want. So me, I try to work as much as I can in as few days as I can. So I don't really try for really long layovers. I try to just be gone from home as little as possible. So like yesterday, I flew 3 short flights. Today will be 1 longer flight from LA to Orlando, but it kind of just depends.
That's cool. Nice, man. Yeah. All right, team. So we have MES starting to fall. We have MNQ starting to fall, but once again, can't take MNQ long because we're above that pink. MES is, I like this. We came up, we tried to test the high of day. We got barely above it. Let's see. In the meantime, I'm going to get my, how many people we got on YouTube? 14. All right, I'm going to get my Trade of 8 ready. We're in. My orb was winning. Now it's losing. Once again, guys, I always do the orb in my 100K account. I'm just testing it out right now. But my other three are linked.
Are you entering like two orders? One if case goes up and one if it breaks down? Or
For the orb, yeah.
okay, so whichever triggers first then.
Yeah, and what's cool is you set up both, right? As a stop order, like stop buy, stop sell. And whenever one gets triggered, then the one on the other side is now just your stop. So it's kind of cool.
That is true. Excellent.
It's easy. All right. MES, if this sets up, oof. That's tight. That's tight for the morning. So this is a potential setup. If it closes under the 10, it hasn't yet. And really, this would be safer up here above that, but I usually just do 2 ticks above the recent high. That's kind of how I roll. Let's see. What's everything doing? Glad I got out of AMD. It's down even more today. All right. MES kind of pushing up now. All three kind of pushing up. Market's pretty green today, guys. Tech is definitely loving whatever happened today. So now this is a reset. In my book, this is a reset on M&Q. So if we come up and get a bear above, I'm allowed to take that long. Same thing here. If we come up, get it, you know what I'm saying? Then I can take that long. But I got to get a reset first. Reset was back here. Then these two triggered. So we're just waiting still. There's not an A+ setup yet.
You already uploaded the recording from yesterday?
Yeah. Yeah, it should be in there.
I haven't watched it. So. Okay.
Let's double check, though. I want to make sure you're good. Let me check. 1 second.
You're still sharing your screen, by the way.
I know. It's okay. Yep, it's in there.
Cool.
Last night, right here.
There you go.
Trader Sync. Boop. All right, guys. So the market's pushing up. So we're gonna listen to the market. If it wants to go high, if it wants to go up, then let it go up. Right? We're not gonna be mad about it.
Gold ran overnight.
We ain't gonna be mad about it.
Pretty much the only thing I'm trading in my 300K gold.
What was that?
Yeah. The gold is the one I'm pretty much trading on my 300K eval.
Oh wow.
That one's focused on gold.
That's a big boy. That's cool. Yeah, man. How is gold today?
You run up. I think it's over the 50s. So I don't know. Tempted to short. I think it's going down right now, but didn't enter because of the.
I see it. I see what you're talking about, though.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's tempting.
I mean, I like that inverted hammer.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I've never really tested the pink line theory on gold. I've just tested it on the indexes. So maybe shorts do work. I don't know. And like I said, at some point you got to start measuring how far are we from the pink line, right? Like right here, we're 30 points away. Right here, we're 34 points away, right? I'm just looking at big drops and big pops. Right here, 28. Right here, 20. So it seems like whenever we get about 20 to 30 away from it, could be a good candidate for a short. So I wouldn't say this is a terrible trade if you wanted to hop in. I mean, you're going to chase now, but
Yeah.
okay. M and Q back under the 10. MES still having problems. We have this upper wick right here. MYM just kind of gradually going up into that 50. Still being patient here. Oh, the MBT short. I know. I was looking at MBT. No, I didn't. I never took it. But that was something right before we hopped on. I was looking at. But it was still 15 minutes before my window, so I didn't do it. But that looked good. It did. It was like, boom, tapped the pink, came up and tapped it again. Then we kind of did like an inverted head and shoulders, and then 10 EMA, bam. That was nice. If any of you guys took that, congrats. I mean, it doesn't look like it quite got to target, but it probably will. Crypto's been a little bearish the last few days too. Just kind of looking at that, you know. Let's see here. All right, M&Q still trying to figure out its life.
Well, M&Q, you're looking for a long 10 EMA.
Yeah. So M&Q, I need a bear above, then I can get long. Same thing with MES, but I need the reset on MES, so I can't do that yet.
Short MES
if it does that, yeah, and then we get the bowl below, then yeah, I can short it.
It's interesting because don't they usually move the same M&Q and ES?
Not always. I mean, if you look at tech today, it's really up. Like Google gapped up really hard. Tesla's running, so yeah, they're not always in sync. I mean, they are a lot, but how's my XRP doing? Dumping. I got some orders at 1.9. Or no, I think it's at. Let me check. Where are my orders at? I've got orders at 1.8 and 1.7 for a bounce. All right. Still hasn't really convinced me yet. AF GUI says, "Can someone buy me an Apex account, or do you use my bank account?" To my knowledge, you got to use your account to buy it. You can use their credit card to buy it, but yeah, I don't think someone can like buy you one and send it to you as like a gift or anything. It's got to be under your name for tax purposes. Pretty slow so far. Like I said, guys, I'm still kind of bearish, leaning bearish on everything. It's interesting. You know, a little bearish retest gap. All right, M and Q starting to fade a little bit here. MES really just in range. M and Q comes down here, we get a reset, then we can take it short. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting. Oh my gosh, that Bitcoin trade. That was the one right there. Should have took it. Nice. Did anyone take that Bitcoin trade or no? Yummy.
Not. Missed that one.
Yeah, same. I'd really love to see like a little tap there and then be sick. It's going to be a second, guys. I'm going to grab some coffee. AF Gooey's asking, waiting for a close above the 50. I mean, not only do I have to get a close above the 50, I've got to get a bear candle closing under this to reset it. So MES is kind of, MES, it's just going to take a second. This is all either going to flush and we're short on everything, which would be incredible, or MES is going to overtake this at the same time as M and Q, and then we can get long. I'll probably get long on M and Q just because tech is so strong today. Three bulls below on Google. Looks like it could be a fun short. Any questions? This morning. This, are you talking about MNQ? Yes, but we're above the pink, so I can't take it. Gotta wait. That's okay, though. If this rolls over, this probably will too, and we can take that. MYM could be a really good one, too. If this comes up and taps that pink and turns around. Let's see. Barney's got something here for us to look at. MYM on the 1 minute. Happens, man. There goes that Google 10 EMA. Should I take it on paper for fun? Let's just pretend we're ballers for a second. All right. Do 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 do. All right, guys. Still just waiting for something to happen. Hey, Calvin, is there a recommended R level if it's just starting out and could be my MES versus ES? So what I recommend is 1 to 2% of your account is good. So if you're in a 25K eval, if you're trading at a prop firm, yeah, like 250 is fine. No more than 500 though in a 25K eval is what I'd say per trade risk. If it's a small account, you'll probably be better off trading micros. If you're trading one of the big boys like the 150s, 250s, 300K accounts, then yeah, you can trade full size contracts. ES is just going to be 10 times whatever MES is. That's it. But yeah, get your feet wet with micros. I don't know what kind of account you've got, but when you're ready, step it up. All right. Still waiting here for the perfect trade. This is a fake trade I'm doing. This is just a paper trade for fun. All right. We are waiting. Do I think paper trading like that could instill some FOMO? Not really. Not for me anyways. You know, it's just like practice. I don't really day trade stocks. I just day trade futures, so it's not even really in my wheelhouse. It's just for fun. you know? It's honestly just something to pass the time because right now we're just waiting. All right, but MES is starting to drop. If we get the bull under, we can set that up. So let's just start looking at what that would look like, okay? It would be something like this. But I got to get that bull. But it'd be nice if it was above that pink. The pink is at 60, 76, 25. So maybe I put that at 50. Because then you have like kind of double resistance, right? There and there. But let's see what it gives us. MYM starting to throw in a little bit of a red candle now. MNQ, if we close under this, we can look for MNQ shorts too. I'm curious, where did QQQ go to today? Interesting. Right now, QQQ is an inside candle. Guys, if QQQ wants to come down and fill this gap, the whole market will drop, for sure. Now, SPY, I believe, already filled its gap yesterday. But I still think it wants to come down to the 10 EMA. Or this support here, which is 600. So, we'll see. Just being patient. Okay, now was that a green candle under the 10? Let's check. Let's check. See, ES is saying it wasn't. MES is saying it was. And if I go scroll over it, it's saying that the open and the close were the exact same on MES, but on ES, they were not. Okay. So you got to be careful about that. Some people might look at that and be like, that's a green candle closing under the 10. It's actually not. You need to double check. See how on ES, it's a red candle? But on MES, it's always going to be a little different because of the division by 10. So I still need to wait a little bit. We've got almost a close here on MNQ. We have MYM starting to set up as well. I think we're going to get a short play here. Just be patient. Any idea when Apex discounts will be available? So right now I believe they're running 50% off, but if you're looking for that 70, 80, 90% off, it's going to be a sec. I don't know. They run them pretty often though. Just check back every week. I feel like there's always a new one popping off. Let's check my fake Google trade. It's funny.
Everything's just been really choppy this time of day for the last couple weeks.
I mean, December is usually pretty choppy, I'm not going to lie. There's a lot of traders that are just gone. You know, they already made all their money. They're just on vacation and stuff. But it's interesting because like MES, I would agree, is really choppy. This is pretty choppy, but if this breaks, this could get moving. MYM is trending. So we're just waiting. Just the waiting game. So there goes MNQ breaking that 50. Let's see if it can close under it. AF GUI says, when I get 3 or 4 winners in a row, I get overconfident and then deviate from my plan and lose. How do I stop this? If you get 3 or 4 winners in a row, we're talking like 1.2, 1.3 R winners. Is that what you're talking about? I'll be honest with you. If you get 3 or 4 wins in a week, even if it's Tuesday or Wednesday, I would just close the laptop, come back on Monday. You're up 4 hours for the week. Like, you did great. That's amazing. See, a lot of people confuse like R's with money. They're totally different. An R is very ambiguous. Your R could be 10 grand. Your R could be $100. So if you're up, let me ask you this: if you went up 4 R's, you're up 40 grand. Your R's 10 grand. Would you be like, I'm good, and just close the laptop and go enjoy the weekend? Probably. The problem is our R's are too small, so we're like, I gotta keep trading for trading to make a dent in your life. So it really comes down to a money problem, not an R problem. 4 R's is amazing. So just remember that. Mari Morris says, I've been short M&Q since 583. Damn, up here? That's crazy. What'd you take it on? Like a little 1 minute 10 EMA or what? That's sick. I'm looking for a short on MES at this point. Just waiting for a true bull candle under the 10. It's going to be a sec. I've started picking one account that it's like if I feel like it. Oh yeah, that's good. I have the same thing. My 100K account is like a I feel like it account. Which I think...
Stop Phil.
Yeah, I was about to say. My my orb just lost. All good. Alright. I'm still looking for a legit 10 EMA short here. MYM would really be my preference at this point, just because it's got a lot of room to go. Although MES got rejected right there, which is nice. Just waiting for that bowl candle to come in. Bowl candle. Haven't gotten it yet. Yep, here come the Bears. I just knew it, man. Interesting. Mari Mar's been working on a Bollinger Band and RSI strategy. That's cool. You'll have to show me sometime. I love learning new strategies. Even if I don't use them, I love just looking at them because, well, it's fun. Keeps your mind sharp. Keeps your mind open to different things. It doesn't mean I'll integrate it into my plan, but it's cool to know, right? Sometimes it's fun to throw up other indicators and be like, well, this isn't necessarily a part of my plan. It's not qualifying why I take a trade, but it's nice to know we're hitting the top of the Bollinger Band. You know what I mean? NQ is looking bearish. Let's just say that. Look at my Google trade. My fake Google trade. That's funny. That's hilarious. All right. We might get the bull candle here. Stop would go, honestly, guys, I need to go at least above 2 candles. Some of you would be doing this lately. I'd probably be up here or here. I'd probably go right there. Just to be extra safe. All right. So this is the only setup we have right now. And I'm going to just go ahead and set it up. So it's going to be on MES. I'll just do a stop above the high. I'll do a 10-point stop. Easy math. How many would I get? 5. Yeah, it's just easy math. 6065. MES. Sell, stop. 6065. 50. 15. And, oh, didn't have my copy trader on. 6065.50. Sell. Cool. My order's in. You guys can see my order right there in the middle. I'm going to just kind of make these a little smaller while we focus on this. And we'll see if I get filled. Now, if this candle closes under the green, we're going to move the entry up. So I'm just going to go ahead and figure out what that would be right now. Oops. That would be 6 instead of 5. Okay. So I know what I need to change it to if it closes under the 10. Just got to add one more contract. YM heading for that pink. $42 seconds left on this candle. Yes, I buy BTC. So AF GUI says, what's your opinion on buying BTC every month? I buy it every day, brother. I buy, is it 20? I think I buy $20 of Bitcoin every day. All right. So this looks like it's going to close under the 10. I'm just going to quickly move all these up, all these orders up. Oh, is it though? Let's see. Okay, it did. Just going to move this order to here. I'm going to move this order to here. And I'm going to move this order
Stop filled.
to here.
Stop filled.
Cool. And then I need to add one more because I said 6, right? So MES 3, sell market.
Order filled.
And now I should have 6. Cool. So I'm in. Stop is going to be up here, 8 points. Target down here. And I'm just going to get on one screen now since we're just focused on one. Okay. Okay, so stop is going to go, I think I said 8 points, target 1.3. So stop is going to go at 607,650. Oh, 7650. Buy stop, send. Target 6058. Boom. Orders are in. Let's see if we can party a little bit. Now, this would be really cool because my target's right here at the low, right? But if we break this low, I want to leave one runner. So I'm going to leave one runner. I'm going to change this to 5. I'm going to change this to 5. And I'm going to change this to 5. All right, guys, let's see if we can get moving on this short. Guys, the market owes me. Like, I've had I've had quite the 2 weeks. I mean, I'm at break even, so I'm not complaining. I've had really good risk management, and I've followed my rules to a T. But like yesterday's MYM, I missed it by a tick. I missed it by a freaking tick. So funny. All right, here we go. Down we go. Who's in? Someone said M and Q made it a yeah, but see, we didn't get the reset. I'd want to see the reset. I want to see it come up, reset, and then go. Because now you're just chasing M and Q, right? Hold on, guys.
Hey, Calvin, you're muted.
Maybe his whole output got. Yeah, I know. Okay.
I am waiting for a bear candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A bear candle. The next candle, if it's a bear candle, I'll move my stop to about here ish. Yeah. Somewhere in there. That's the plan. What's M&Q doing? Bouncing. MYM. MYM starting to roll over. You have this setup coming in. If you haven't taken one yet today, this could be an option for you. All right, guys. Still waiting. So if this candle closes bearish, I'm going to move my stop. Okay? Someone told me that the ticker MSTR has like crazy premiums if you like selling puts. Kind of interesting.
Yesterday it did.
Yeah. Do you know about MSTU? It's like the 2Xer. This does 2X, whatever MSTR does.
I use MSTX. I think it's the same.
MSTX. Does it have options? It's pretty cool.
I'm not sure what's the difference with MSTU, but I think they're both 2x.
Yeah.
I'm out of cash. Can't take any more positions.
Out of cash.
Ready to get called away or whatever.
Yeah. MES being annoying. MYM, there's your setup. Who's taking this one? Who's brave enough to take this one? I don't take two trades at the same time. Just a rule for mine, but yeah. MYM, there's your setup.
Oh, sweet.
We're dropping. Oh, I was talking to them. Oh. All right, guys, my cleaner is gone now, so I can talk. All right. I'm back. Slow trade. The slowest trade there ever was is the one I'm in right now. Just so slow.
We use this digital asset called XRP.
Testing it low. Now, if you want to trim one here, I won't be mad at you. You could totally trim one here. I'm just not today. But it would make sense why you'd trim one here. But I just think we're going to break this, personally. Just my personal opinion. No, you're good. Yeah, get what you need.
My sweater. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye. All right. Come on. This looks good. Let's break down. Come on down. Come on down. I felt like the market showed its cards right at the open. When this dumped, I was like, all right. Come on down. Break that low. Come on. Come on now. Okay, is it time to move our stop yet? Let's see. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, we can move it again. I'm going to move it to right here, which is the halfway point, 0.5. Let me just confirm that's the halfway point. A little higher. Right there. And I'm going to do that on all of them. Cool. Sweet. Another 21 minutes. All right, team, we're getting an opposite setup now. So we may have to move our stop soon. We'll see though what happens. Interesting candle. Interesting candle. No stop move yet. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's go. Breakdown. Okay, guys. So at this point, you did not break the low. We've been in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So in a few more candles, I can move my stop again. We still haven't gotten a bear above. Actually, that was a bear above right there. So this is a circumstance where I am going to slam my stop potentially, but I got to wait a few more candles. You guys want to see my new, I just installed something new. Hold on, I'm going to show you. One second. Let's see if you can see it. See that pyramid thing back there? It's pretty cool, right? What do you guys think? We like it?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it.
Is that because you like your pyramid strategy?
Yeah, exactly.
Operation?
Exactly, yeah.
That's awesome.
All right, I'll show the people on YouTube now. Hold on. One second.
I'm putting things in like this where you like delete this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This, just to let you know, this is an old layout. We've changed the way it looks now.
All right, on YouTube, can you guys see my new pyramid thing? I don't know which way to point my finger. Right there. Pretty cool, right? Just put it in. All right, let's go back to this trade now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. On the next red candle, I will move my stop. It should be moving to here, but I can skip a rung and slam it. And that's basically what I'm going to do. Because now this trade looks like it's starting to come against me. What did MYM do? Okay. You got the setup short on MYM. Interesting. Right here. Interesting. Interesting. Well, if I can get stopped out of this quickly, then I can jump in that. Would love to put my stop there. But I need a bear candle first. Actually, 2 bear candles would be nice. But yeah. Or like an upper wick like that. That's cool. All right, stop move. 2 ticks above that. Stop in the green. Can't lose. Love it. Boom. All right. Now let's roll over. If this trade stops me out, I'm immediately going to try either MNQ short or MYM short. Both look like they're kind of in play. Okay? Simple as that. Okay. Bear candles coming in. Let's go. Let's get that breakdown. Remember, yesterday was a late day sell-off. Might be happening again today. Oh, shit. Can we break the low, though? The low is right here. Can we break it? Come on. It looks like a lot of selling, I'm not going to lie. Looks like a whole lot of selling coming in. Looks like we wicked below the low there for a second. Come on down, Spy. I know you want to. I know you want to. MNQ reset, correct. MYM, looking good if you're in that one short. This was the setup on MYM right there. Boop. Boop-a-da-boop. Just inching its way down. So my rules are I can skip, like usually I do like 0.7, 0.5, 0.3, 0.2, 0.5, 0.7. That's how I move them. But if I get a bear above, I can skip one of those moves and slam it. So I'd already moved it to here, to here. The next move was going to be here, but then I got that, so I was able to slam it. But you got to wait for a pivot to come in. So I needed that upper wick to form, which it did, and then I put it like 2 ticks above. Then we slam down. Next stop move, probably going to be like here. Or in the perfect world, we wick up. A nice little wick there, and I can put it there. But yeah. How's the MYM trade? Damn, if you're in the MYM trade, you're looking good. Stop move to there. You're sitting pretty if you're in an MYM trade. Who's in MYM? Okay, cool. Let's go, Ivo. Let's go, Ivo. Let's get that target, bubby. Let's get that target, buddy. I like it. I like it. Tell MYM to call Big Bro MES and drop as well, please. So see if this rolls over now to like here and then chops around. That'd be a really good candidate to move my stop to like right there. But we gotta wait and see. Oh, MES. Coming up against me now. Again. Have fun, Barney. Take it easy, man. Does the 10 EMA work well on crude oil? I mean, 10 EMA works on anything, man. It's just you just gotta try it. You know, it's basically all it comes down to. Okay. So see how this is another pivot coming in now? This would be the next area I'd move my stop. Moving my stop. Right there. See if I get trailed out. Now remember, if I make less than half an hour, I'm allowed to take one more today, but I'm gonna have to jump off the live here, and I'll post it if I take it later. A tick away from the stop. Will it do it? Will it do it? All right. Trailed out for probably like 0.3 R. Let's go look real quick. All right. So on the day, this is my orb account. Ignore that. We're up 81 bucks in each account. I'm going to go ahead and cancel all my MES orders. Make sure I'm flat. Very important. Make sure you're flat. Go into each one and make sure nothing is working. No working orders. Okay? We're good. Okay, so now, guys, for my second trade, I'm going to get off the live, but I'd be looking for something like that. On M and Q, I'd be looking for something like that or like that. And on MYM, if we get a reset and we go again, I could do that. So 3 options there. And I'll see y'all guys a little later. I'll post it if I take anything, okay? But talk soon. Take it easy. Nice little win. Nothing to brag about, but walked out with the green on these accounts today. I'm basically at $1,100 this drawdown. It's all good. All right, guys. Talk soon.